Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 9, nowadays we had been studying the chapter pertaining to chemical bonding, which is chapter 4 of the book. Sindh Textbook Board, Karachi, chapter number 4, pertaining to chemical bonding. As you know, first of all we must note, we must study, we must know what is meant by a bond. And in the last lecture, I have already explained about it and already given you the concept of ionic bonding. Because if we simply summarize and have a skeleton pertaining to what are the types of bond. So first of all, chemical, let us at a glance we can repeat once again very shortly. Very little time should be given to connect the lesson with the previous lesson. So chemical bond. First of all, dear students, what does mean by chemical bond? So chemical bond is nothing, but it is the binding force. It is the binding force between two similar or dissimilar atoms. So this force keeps them closer, tightly bonded to manufacture, to generate a new thing called as compound. Compound has similar meaning for the molecule. So molecule, for example, there is chemical bond between one atom of hydrogen and another atom of hydrogen, which will result, and that is a new thing, that is molecular hydrogen. Which is molecule? Mind you, that hydrogen does not exist in the atomic form. It will exist in molecular form. So this is the result of a chemical bond which keep these two atoms combined. Now we say take some other salt, for example. Now this is the case of different substances, ions of different elements. Sodium is different from chlorine. So we have sodium ion and chloride ion. They will also be tightly bonded and will result in a new compound called as sodium chloride. So this is actually, I have tried to explain and make you clear about this thing, that as a result of chemical bonding, a molecule can be formed or a compound can be formed. The source, the main root between them is the binding force. I hope it's clear to you.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, chemical bond we have understood. You know, it has, basically there are three different types of chemical bonding. So, for example, to make it more easier, let us take in this way, number 1, type number 2 and type number 3. For the space I have converted this in this. So first of all, we know that there are basically three types of chemical bonds, number 1, number 2 and number 3. First type says that speaks about ionic bond. The second type is covalent bond. Covalent bond. And the third one is coordinate coordinate covalent bond. So these are three main known types of chemical bond. After having said that, very briefly, we have already, as I told earlier, that we have already sufficiently explained about ionic bond, and mashallah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, you are all well aware about the definition, explanation and examples of ionic bond. Simply and very simply speaking and very shortly, briefly speaking, its name is the name ionic bond has itself the property. Its definition is hidden in its name, ionic. So ionic here, if you say the first three letters, so this makes oin. So the bond which is made between oppositely charged ions will be called as ionic bond. One of those examples I have already given, for example, sodium chloride. So, as I shown earlier, that this is a result of electrostatic forces of binding, electrostatic forces which exist between sodium plus ion and chloride minus ion. So this has resulted, and it means very clearly that this very substance, this very compound is ionic compound. It is ionic compound, and the bond involved in this manufacturing is ionic bond. To the ionic bond resulting in ionic compound. Ionic bond resulting in the compound which will be called as ionic compound. So I will quote some examples, then very quickly we are switching towards covalent bond, because I think you might be crazy to know about covalent bond. You know, everything, if you put interest in the subject, everything becomes more and more interesting. The thing which makes the thing boring and difficult is from our side, when we do not pay the attention. Anyway, so some more examples of ionic compound. If I put the name, formulae of those compounds, you will simply know yourself. You can analyze simply that those are ionic compounds. For example, potassium chloride. You know, same nature of bond. Similarly, magnesium chloride. Similarly, calcium oxide. Similarly, calcium chloride. So these are so many examples, and these are the examples of ionic compound. Once again, these are the examples of ionic compound. And at the same time, I must explain that nowadays the style of questioning in the examination paper by the board, mostly part concerns with the MCQs, multiple choice question. So you could be asked very simply by the examiner in the paper setter, that he will give so many formulas, and he will ask select which one of those formulas is ionic or covalent. So if you have gone through very clearly from these very ideas, you can simply classify, you can simply specify, you can simply tell that which one is ionic and which one is not ionic. For example, then that if ionic not ionic, then that will be covalent. So I hope up till now I am very much clear about all this concept and connecting. I think I am successful in connecting this new lesson with the previous lessons which were pertaining to ionic bond. So now, by the grace of Almighty Allah, we are starting with the second type second type of the chemical bonding, and that is covalent bond. Its name is also, as I told, that the ionic bond was already including the type of the bond or definition of the ionic bond. Ionic, I said as earlier that the first three letters show ion. So that bonds were being manufactured due to ionic interaction, oppositely charges. Is that clear? And similarly, I would like to say that simply see these two initial letters. Actually, these things, I explain these things with a perspective, with an idea that you will be avoided from rattalization. Some people just start ratta and repeating again and again and again, but they are not the concept. So, for example, by giving these very tips, I want to let you remember that what are the meanings of this type, any type, what are the meanings, and the definition itself is found hidden in the name. Covalent. Co, you see word co. Co means cooperation. Co is a short word of cooperation. Co and co, V-A-L, it is short of valency. Valency, yani in this way, I just show on the board right now that how this cooperation takes place and what is the reason of that cooperation. For example, जैसा कि आपको याद होगा, yesterday we talked about the good idea given by the sciences about octet rule and duplet rule, which were proved, which provided the foundation for manufacturing of chemical bond. ये डिटेल में बात हो चुकी है already, लेकिन still अगर जहाँ lose pipe पड़ी इंशाल्लाह, I would like to say. So now covalent bond, if we simply define the bond, the chemical bond which is formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between two similar or dissimilar atoms. So next is the compound such forms, the molecule or compound such form is called as covalent. Yes, come and speak out. Compound. Covalent compound. So it will, I think, comprehensive definition of covalent bond and covalent compound. So the chemical bond which is formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between two similar or dissimilar atoms, the molecule or compound such form is called as covalent. Simple is that. Now we see the example which will make the idea more clear. For example, we have an atom of hydrogen. Everybody knows that it has how many electrons in its outermost, in its orbit, simple is that it is having one electron. Let us show it like that. At the same time, another atom of hydrogen will also having the same one electron. As it is nature, it's by nature, I already told you, that as a single form, atomic form, it cannot exist. It is not possible. So now the bonding will result in the making of the molecule which is exists. So remember one thing, dear students, that these things cannot exist in atomic form. For example, same is the case with the oxygen, same is the case with chlorine, same is the case with nitrogen. So I have given you some example and I can simply explain that why it happened and how it happened. Anyhow, for the time being, we are talking about the covalent bond. So there will be a mutual sharing will result in the manufacture, in the making of a covalent bond. The atoms come closer and they mutually share the single pair, the single electron, which is unpaired. Here at this stage, so this is one electron which is unpaired. It has also one electron which is unpaired. And now, as you know, tendency of all atoms in the world is same, exception with hydrogen. Which tendency that all the atoms try to make complete their octet, making 8 का हिस्सा मुकम्मल करना है in the outermost orbital. शाबाश. Or here exception was there, I heard, only one. All over the world, only one exception, and that is hydrogen. अब इसने भी completion तो करनी है, but not octet. It will make duplet, 2, and 2 by doing so, it will take the shape of helium. It will take the shape of helium. So on the board, by the grace of Almighty Allah, you will just now see that how it happens. Now, this is another form, closer, and one electron from this left-hand hydrogen and one electron from right-hand hydrogen. Ultimately, they will, in the geometry, you know, any dotted line, there are 2 points hidden against each dot, each line. Line बनती जब है, जब 2 पॉइंट्स आपस में मीट करें. तो therefore ये स्मॉल लाइन यहाँ मैंने शो की है. Actually, this is a covalent bond. So this small, shorter line between H and H, basically, it is a covalent bond which has resulted due to sharing of electron between these two. Two similar or dissimilar. So this is example of similar. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Example of similar. So therefore, we can also write it like that. H, इसको आपने अक्सर देखा होगा जब ऐसे लिखते हैं हाइड्रोजन H2. So this is a flow of line, flow of making the covalent bond. So single unpaired electron come closer, they join and we join those both to show a bond. So that very bond is called as
Covalent bond.
Shabash. Now molecular form में this is a molecule now. You know there is hello difference.
Yes, sir.
There is hello difference between this and this. अगर आप ऐसे भी लिखें तो no problem. H plus H आप इम्तिहान में ऐसे भी एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं. तो H atomic and molecular. So there is hello difference between atomic hydrogen and molecular hydrogen. So this is a molecule. Now to make it more, more realistic on the research, as I told you, that it will complete a duplet. How it has completed? Whether we will now see on the board whether the duplet has been completed, because which is the main cause of bonding. If this tendency was not there, I must say, at the moment, सुबहान अल्लाह व बिहम्दिही सुबहान अल्लाहिल अज़ीम। अगर ये टेंडेंसी ना होती तो बॉन्डिंग बनती नहीं, कंपाउंड दुनिया में एग्जिस्ट करती ही नहीं, हर तरफ एक अनारकी होती, एवरीथिंग वाज स्कैटर्ड यू नो। तो ये भी याद रखें, अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला has blessed the world with so many chemicals, but all mostly in compound form. In compound form, combined. See the water H2O combined. See the iron oxide. See the calcium oxide. See the marble under my knees. You know, this is all marble. It contains calcium, but not calcium independent form. Calcium carbonate is the formula of marble. So these things are found in combined form. Most of the chemicals in the world are being found in the combined form, not in atomic form. Anyway, a tendency that is they are willing to make some cases, but most all cases octet. Exception lies with hydrogen. So it will make duplet. Because it is quite understandable, only it has one electron. How can it go to 8? You know, that is not possible. However, duplet is possible. So duplet के result के तो बेटे जब भी याद रखें, as long as whenever this process takes place, process of making octet in the outermost shell, or process of making duplet in hydrogen case, they all take the shape of noble gas. Noble gases are there. If you see the periodic chart, so noble gases are there. Here, argon, krypton, xenon, rindon, neon, these are all noble gases. And here on the left side, group 5, group 1, group 2, they are non-metals. Metals and non-metals. 1, 2 is metals. So what will happen? That whenever some element or atom, as I shown earlier, they take the shape they complete their octet actually. They take the shape of the gas, the element of the 8th group, because 8th group are noble gases. They are inert gases. They do not take part in reaction. They are noble. So who is noble for hydrogen? Who is noble? Hydrogen will take the shape of which element? It will take the shape of helium. Yes, you are right. It will. इसके लिए भी अल्लाह तबारक तआला ने एक गैस रख दी, नोबल गैसेस की लिस्ट में एक हीलियम भी डाल दी. So helium जो है, that is the representative of hydrogen. So hydrogen, क्योंकि हीलियम जो है इसके पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. हीलियम की जो outermost orbit है, there are how many electrons? 2 electrons. Hydrogen has 1 electron. But hydrogen when complete the duplet, it will take the shape of helium. So anyhow, this is now I'll show how duplet has been completed. Now see, इसी को देख लें, ये sharing of electron है. यहाँ पर hydrogen having 1 electron in the outermost shell. Second atomic hydrogen having 1 electron in the outermost shell. So there is cooperation, covalency by sharing, mutual sharing. एक वर्ड बेटे आप याद रखना कि ये जो वर्ड है ना, this is the key word. Mutual sharing of electron. Now see the duplet, how it takes the shape of helium, or it takes the shape of duplet, how it is completed. Now simple, take the hydrogen on the left hand side. You tell me how many electrons does it have? Now see the board. I have put the book on right hand side, and see and tell me how many electrons are being belonged by, how many electrons are being possessed by left hand hydrogen. How many? Now see, how many? 2 electrons. So duplet completed. and how many electron completed they taken by this hydrogen now? 2. So by sharing pair एक ही है, मगर ये पेयर इधर भी टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा है एट द सेम टाइम, ये यानी कि इसको भी बिलोंग कर रहा है और इसको भी बिलोंग कर रहा है. यू कैन वेरी वेल visualize it. Hydrogen has 2 electrons. So this is where from second electron has come?
From another hydrogen.
By mutual.
Sharing.
And how come this electron has come to this hydrogen? By mutual sharing. So both this pair of electrons, इसे कहेंगे बेटा shared pair. अब तक ये था जो unshared था, ये भी shared की बेटे निशानियां होती हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन की भी there are 3 classification of electron. At this stage, electron is unshared, unpaired electron. But this is shared pair. You can speak with me. Shared pair of electrons. So this is a covalent bond. अब तक ये बात हुई similar bonds के दरमियान, similar atoms के दरमियान. And now we'll then, if we can have some sufficient time, then we'll talk about simply very shortly speaking. Let us now consider those atoms which are not similar, but those are, what was written there, similar or dissimilar. An example, I can quote the example right now. See the example for those atoms of elements which are not similar but dissimilar. So take the example of hydrogen, 1 electron, and it combines with chlorine, 7 electrons. Or let's just differentiate and understand between them. We'll take a method of star or cross between for showing the electron of chlorine. So therefore, chlorine, how many electrons does it have?
7.
In the outermost orbit? 7. बिल्कुल 2 8 7. इससे है 2 8 7. बढ़िया. अच्छा. Anyhow, ये.
मैं एक सवाल है सर. मैं बोला जो HCl है वो तो मेरा तेजाब के साथ होता है और तेजाब हम अपनी बॉडी में जल जाता है, जो हमारे अंदर जो HCl है वो हमारे ऑर्गन में क्यों जला सकती है?
At the moment, this question is highly irrelevant. First understand how acid is formed, then you will think it is burning or not burning. Sit down. So this way, in this very way, it is showing the nature of and manufacturing of covalent bond. And covalent bond between now example is 4 dissimilar atoms. So H and Cl. So therefore, it will result in this way. H का single electron and Cl, they will come closer, unpaired, ये paired and ये दोनों they come closer. So now there is mutual sharing of electron. Hydrogen is sharing 1 electron, chlorine is also sharing 1 electron. कौन सा? Which is जो उसके बाद already unpaired है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, 3 are paired, 1 is
Unpaired.
तो उसके और हाइड्रोजन के दरमियान बॉन्डिंग होगी, बॉन्डिंग रिजल्ट होगी. जब बॉन्डिंग रिजल्टेड एंड गिविंग अस अ न्यू कंपाउंड HCl. आपने देखा होगा अक्सर, या फिर ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है HCl. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अब ये जो बीच में शॉर्टर लाइन शो की गई है, इसको मैंने एरो क्यों लगाया?
Covalent bond.
ये शो करने के लिए कि ये शो करने के लिए कि दिस इज योर
Covalent bond.
कोवेलेंट
Bond.
वेट इट इज कोवेलेंट. राइट?
Yes,
अच्छा,
sir.
अब हमें इसको प्रूव करना है कि वेदर व्हाट हैपेंड विद ऑक्टेट और डुप्लेट. दिस शुड आल्सो बी शोन ऑन द बोर्ड सो दैट आपको मजीद कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाए कि वाकई ये डुप्लेट फॉर्मेशन और ऑक्टेट फॉर्मेशन है, जिसकी वजह से केमिकल बॉन्ड रिजल्ट होता है. रिजल्ट केमिकल बॉन्ड इज बीइंग फॉर्म under the rule of octet rule, and we'll see on the board whether it is true here or not. For example, let us first see the case of hydrogen. Just put the book on this, and now see in left hand side is hydrogen atom.
Yes, sir.
How many electrons it has?
2.
2, because it is shared pair now.
Yes, sir.
It is shared pair. And now, on the same time, you can put the book on this side, and now see that how many electrons are there?
8.
Hello? 8? ठीक है, 3 पहले पेयर थे
Yes, sir.
और एक पेयर अभी आ गया,
Yes, sir.
तो कितने हो गए?
8.
तो इसने कंप्लीट की ना ऑक्टेट?
Yes, sir.
By which type? Under which type?
Covalent.
By
By mutual sharing.
mutual sharing. By
Mutual sharing.
तो चुनाचे ये जो हमारे पास हमने प्रूफ कर लिया, we have witnessed on the whiteboard, हमने देख लिया इसको व्हाइट बोर्ड के ऊपर कि क्लोरीन has also completed its octet. At the same time, hydrogen has completed its shower, its duplet. Thank you, dear student. I hope it's clear to you, and inshallah, next time we'll take some more examples, and also that there are 2 types of covalent bonds. Covalent bond के भी आगे 2 किस्में हैं.
Sir, please.
One is
Single, double,
वो polar and
non-polar.
वो भी है, ये लेकिन पहले polar. So anyway, then inshallah we'll go to the coordinate covalent bond. So at the end, once again, I must say thank you to all of you, and please take your assignment and try to write your own notes and study the book. Inshallah, the things will be getting more and more clear. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Sir.
Off.